the channel, and this week's video is going to be trading. So
bananas and stuff.
Yeah. So
Yes,
and we can scam people and make them overpay. So yeah, I'll go first. Trading this really good cheese.
No, I'm gonna have to do that trade.
Okay, trading
I'm
this.
trading this banana.
Okay, me please.
Okay, what would you offer?
Cheese and a pocket.
Can you add a globble or something?
You
I
have
have
the
the
globbles.
There's like such bad things.
Sorry, I'm gonna have to decline. Trading the really good poppet.
Me.
Okay, what would you offer?
A banana in this in
Add please. It's like really good and you can't get it anymore.
pocket trap.
Please add one more thing.
Banana.
Please add like one more. One.
Doggy.
Please add. Okay, you got yourself a trade. No take back. I got all this. Giving away free stuff. So I'm gonna give her some free stuff because I feel bad. I'll give her the dog, the banana, because I know you like that. The giant stress ball and the dog. Now I have all this stuff. And actually, I'll take the dog instead of the cheese. Trading the dog for the cheese. The dog for the cheese. No, the dog.
Okay, we're gonna be doing a video in a couple minutes, so yeah.
Well, like, she's filming it right now, but like in like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So this video is gonna keep on going on.
It's
Trading dog and needle.
a dog and a needle. Yeah. No, I'm gonna have to.
No, these two. Sorry, that's not my sister.
Bitch.